Hey there job seekers, welcome back to Placements Nepal, your go-to channel for all the latest job opportunities. Before we dive into today's exciting job prospect, make sure you hit that like button and smash that subscribe button so you never miss out on fantastic career opportunities like this one. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Alright folks, let's jump right into it. We have got an amazing work from home internship opportunity at the Buddha Education Association in Corporation. If you are looking to kickstart your career in web development, this one's for you. Now let's take a look at what you will be doing in this role. You will be responsible for creating multiple panels for admins, users and super admins. Yep, you will be the architect behind the scenes making everything run smoothly. You will also get to manage a dynamic team of 10 web development interns. That's right, you will be the leader of the pack. Planning the product roadmap with features and applications. This is where your creative side shines. And of course, creating a robust backend structure and stunning frontend for all the panels combined. You'll be crafting the future of web development. Now let's talk about what you need to bring to the table. You should have skills in C++ programming, Java, JSON, Node.js, React.js, SQL and Webflow. If you are not there yet, don't worry. This could be a fantastic opportunity to hone these skills. This 1 month internship offers a stipend of 10,000 per month and the start date is immediate. So you can hit the ground running. But remember, the application deadline is October 6, 2023. So don't wait. So how can you apply to this internship? I have provided the link to this application in the video description. Click on that. Then you will come to this interface. This is international platform. You have to create your profile here and submit a resume. So after you do so, you can directly apply by clicking on this apply button. And if you get selected, you will be notified in this platform itself or you will get a mail. To make sure you don't miss out on this incredible opportunity, share this video with your friends and spread the word. Tag your buddies who are passionate about web development. Let's help each other succeed. Thanks for tuning into Placements Nepal, your job hunting companion. Remember, success starts with opportunity and we have got plenty more where this came from. Stay subscribed, stay informed and we'll see you in the next video. Good luck, job hunters.